안녕하세요, everyone. 오랜만이네요. 저 채널에서 어서 오세요. So it's me Ankita and welcome back to my channel. And today's video it's about one interesting event which I came across on Instagram. So if you guys know me well, then you might know that I love to participate in the events related to Korea, and I already have won so many things, so many gifts from this kind of events. And I am a part of kfriend community which posts some kind of events to promote their culture, to promote their food, travel, and I used to take part in that events, and I have won some kind of gifts as well. This is also about one of the event I came across on the Instagram, and this is about the Paldo ramen, which I never heard before. If you see their Instagram, and there are event is going on, there is one event is going on, not one, there are two events are going on, but I am particularly interested in one event which prize is first prize is like a grand, like you will get return Korea ticket, flight tickets as a prize in that event. So I'm really excited to participate in that event, and for the participation you have to order one of their ramen, and you have to give your touch, your recipe, and you have to share that on your social media with your ramen story. So I also have my story, but I will share it with you at the end while enjoying tasty ramen. So let's go. back with my ramens and hope you enjoyed the all the procedure of making this ramen. Actually, this is more towards the bibimbap, which is like another famous Korean dish. But if it is like made up of rice instead of noodles, then it will be definitely called as a bibimbap. So this is how I like my ramen to eat, and usually uh, this all stuff I really love, all the raw vegetables with the noodles. And so let's try. It is spicier than I expected. I thought it would not be this spicy, but it is. Let's start with some mushrooms. Egg. It hit different with different things. I love with raw cabbage because the crunchiness we will have is amazing. This is also you should try. So with tasting all these things, so my story of this ramens is so basically this is the dak galbi flavored ramen, and dak galbi is also a famous dish from Gangwon-do province of South Korea, and it started when I looking for the scholarships in Korea for higher studies, and there are many fabulous universities in Korea, like Seoul University, Yonsei University, Korea University. These are the Sky University we can't even think about to get in, and so I tried to bring the information about the other universities in Korea. So I go for the further studies, and I basically started looking for some universities, and I found one university which is Gangwon University, which had my all related courses which I want to learn, and that's why I focused on that university, and I started gathering information about that a particular location of that university. And I got to know that it is in the Gangwon-do province, which is also famous for their food, famous for their culture, and famous for their tourism, like many tourist places. If you know the spring day song of BTS, which is there is one bus stop which is shown, it is also from that Chonchon area, which is in the Gangwon-do province. So I really started looking into the surrounding of that province, and I got to know that the dak galbi is the famous and very popular dish, which is a stir fried chicken with some stir fried veggies. So I really wanted to try that once at my home. So also I participated in one event by KCCI. We shown some Korean recipes, and I have taken part of that event as well, and I have made dak galbi that time. So that dak galbi is like amazing. Like we all love that dish, like my family members, my friends. So I usually made this that recipe in house. So because of that dak galbi recipe, I decided to choose for the. So this was my ramen story behind this yummy ramen. 안녕.